Namaste students. RSV group of schools welcome you to class 3rd English. Today we are going to study another interesting topic, that is chapter 5, the Dolls Festival. Students, dolls are the favorite of all the girls, and today we are going to study not only about the doll festival of India but also of another country. Let's start with the chapter. Festivals are special occasions. On first festival days, we do things like make us happy. We pray to God, wear clothes, meet relatives and friends, exchange gifts, sing, dance, and eat tasty food. Everyone loves to celebrate festivals. Festivals are really the special occasions where we all are very happy. We wear beautiful clothes, then we visit our relatives and friends, exchange gifts and sweets, and dance, sing, enjoy, and have delicious food. Everyone loves to be in festive mood. Let's study about one of the favorite, we can say one of the famous festivals of the girls. Golu is a festival of dolls celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is a part of 10-day Navratri celebration when people worship goddess Durga. Students, Golu is a festival which is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and it is one of the part of the 10-day Navratra celebration which is there in Tamil Nadu. And in Navratra, we worship goddess Durga, the goddess of Shakti. Young girls and women arrange dolls on large stand that looks like flight of steps. So this is a festival of girls and young ladies. They arrange all their dolls on the stand as you can see in the picture, and it is like a flight of steps. Flight is the common noun used over here for the steps. These are usually dolls of God, goddesses, people, and animals. There are different kinds of dolls of God, goddess, people, and animals. The doll stand always has a number of odd numbers of steps like 3, 5, 7, and 9. There is one thing very important. These flight of steps, they are always odd in number. That is, they are in the number of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. As you can see in the picture, the dolls seem to be different in this one. Yes, these are the dolls of Japan. We are going to study about one more doll festival which is celebrated in Japan. People invite friends and relatives to their homes to see Golu display. When the girls they have displayed everything on the steps, which are odd in numbers, they call their friends and relatives to their house to see the display. Each get a small bag of gifts. People sing devotional songs and play music. On this very day, students, the guests, they visit the house and they bring packets of gifts and they sing together devotional, meditational songs and play music and enjoy. What about the food? On each of the 10 days of Navratra, a special dish called sundal is prepared. The delicious sundal is made with groundnut, peas, and various pulses. Every day of Navratra, a special dish is made because this is important part of festival, eating and enjoying. So, this is sundal, which is made from groundnuts, peas, and various other pulses. The display of dolls stays throughout Navratra. On the 10th day, The dolls are taken off the stand and packed away carefully. Students, on the 10th day, all the display which was there for 9 years is taken away and packed carefully for the next coming Golu. They will be taken out for the next year's Golu. Every year, people add new dolls to their set and the collection grows larger. So every year, people they start adding more and more dolls, and the flight of steps also increases. The Japanese dolls festival Hina Matsuri is very similar to Kolu. As we have told you earlier, Japanese doll festival Hina Matsuri is also similar to Kolu. Hina Matsuri dolls are arranged on a red platform. Ornamental dolls of the emperor, empress, attendants, musicians, and courtiers are displayed on it. So, in their doll festival, the Japanese girls they also arrange the dolls on the platform, which is covered with red color cloth or it is of red platform. Ornamental means decorated dolls of emperor, empress, attendants, musician, courtiers are displayed or exhibited. Hina Matsuri is also called Girls' Day. A special drink, sweet drink called Amzek is special to the Hina Matsuri festival. On this very day, a special shake or we can say a sweet drink is made which is Amzeg, and it is also called the Girls' Day. Why? Because the dolls are basically for the girls. Festivals give us a break from our daily routine. So, we look forward to the festivals. It is also fascinating to learn about them. Festivals, they bring a break to the daily routine, and we have a great time to relish with our friends and relatives as they are very fascinating and they are very attractive. A break is through these festivals only. So, students, we can say this thing that although the places have changed, but the occasions, the festivals, they remain the same as in Golu and Hina Matsuri. So we can say that the girls' festival or a special festival for girls, that is Hina Matsuri and Golu, which is celebrated in India and in Japan. Hope you have understood each and everything related to the festival, and you can also enjoy and celebrate this festival. Thank you. Have a nice day.